Hello, this is James again from Demark. Today we're going to deliver a 2 kilowatts lathe cutting machine to a customer in North America, this one. And now let's our engineer to show you the operation of this machine. So this one can have 15 meters long cable and have 300 millimeters clean width. Now let's our engineer to show you the operation.
是没了，我都看见了。
So first let's turn on the machine, and this is a touch screen, and there is a alarm light, and you can see the scan width can be from 1 to 300 millimeters, and now we just take 200 millimeters for example. And here is laser source and water chiller in the cabinet. Alright, and in the back there is showing the temperature of water chiller. So let's turn on the machine and open the safety clock and open the safety lock. This is 200 millimeters and it can be up to 300 millimeters cleaning width. Okay, let us turn off the machine, close the safety lock, turn off the power. Okay,